So hello guys, today I will teach you how to edit your crosshair in Counter Blox in Roblox. So please watch my video carefully and follow my steps. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. So first, go to settings. You will see here crosshair. Here. You can edit and make your own like this. But it's so hard because I think it's bug. Look, if I click here in blue, my cursor move fast in right side like that. So I will teach you how to make in easy way and good crosshair. You can see a lot of crosshair in Roblox video in YouTube like here. The best Counter Blox crosshair and view model in 2024. If you scroll down, you will see a many code like here. So we copy one like this. Copy this. Then I will paste here in decal ID like this. Then enter. You will see the crosshair now is good, small, but I think this is a good one for playing Counter Blox. Like in Valorant, the small crosshair is the more accurate in terms of firing. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.